Hello, I am Teacher Vera, and today we'll be talking about the topic microorganisms. What are microorganisms? We all know what microorganisms is all about. Microorganisms, they are tiny living organisms. They are all over our environment. They are tiny, they are invisible. You cannot see them with the naked eyes. So they are tiny living organisms which cannot be seen with the naked eyes except with the help of a microscope. Now, we have examples of them. Examples of microorganisms, we have the bacteria, we have the viruses, we have fungi, we have algae, we have protozoa. Now, bacteria, we all know bacteria. Bacteria is virtually in every environment today. Bacteria, they are prokaryotic. They don't have any nucleus. They have no nucleus, and they don't have membrane bound organelles. They are prokaryotic. They are not eukaryotic cell. They are not eukaryotic organisms. They are prokaryotic organisms, which means no nucleus, no membrane bound organelles. Now, we have some of the bacteria. Some of them are beneficial, some of them are also harmful. Some of the bacteria, they are used in the production of food and medicines. They are also in our digestive system, which means they are beneficial for us. Then we also have those that are harmful. We also have fungi. Fungi is wonderful because most of the things we eat today are being produced. Fungi are used in the production of food and medicines. Most of the drugs that we take in today are produced with fungi. The yeast that we use in making our bread, the yeast we use in making our cake, pastries, chops, the yeast is made of fungi. The mushroom we eat, they are fungi. Molds, fungi, they are beneficial and they are also harmful. Why? Because fungi, they also cause this disease known as the atlas foot. It's caused by fungi. So therefore, we have beneficial fungi and we also have harmful fungi. We also have the algae. Algae is wonderful. Algae is unicellular and they are also multicellular. They are single celled and they are also multicellular organisms, and they can produce their own food with the help of photosynthesis. Some algae, they are harmful, such as the red tide. Some of them are also important. Some of them are not harmful. They are beneficial because it is also used in the production of biofuels. We also have the protozoas. Protozoa, they are eukaryotic organisms. They are beneficial and they are also harmful. We also have viruses. Viruses, they are made up of genetic material. This genetic material can either be RNA or DNA. So these virus microorganisms, they are wonderful. So today, viruses, they are made up of genetic material, and this, remember we said this genetic material, they can either be RNA or DNA, and they are surrounded by a protein coat. These viruses, we can even see them in our body, we can even see them in our system. All these microorganisms, some of them we take them in, some of them are in our body. Microorganisms are wonderful. So, with this few explanation on the topic microorganisms, I think we are able to grab one or two importance, beneficial roles and reasons why microorganisms are important. Microorganisms, they can be either positive or negative. They play both positive and negative roles. So they are also essential, such as bacteria, for the digestion of food. Microorganisms, especially bacteria and fungi, they help to break down complex organic materials to make them essential and part of the ecosystem, some many ecosystems. So with this, I think I've been able to explain some of the beneficial and harmful roles of some of these microorganisms, and I think I have been able to give you some examples of microorganisms that we have.